All right, guys, so we just made it over here to the RVP booth. You know, don't mind my hand shaking a little bit. I just got to meet Richard Rawlins, which for me is like kind of a lifetime goal. It's something cool as a car enthusiast to meet, you know, somebody who's kind of made it to the top in the car world. But don't let me get distracted from the fact that we're over here at the RVP booth checking out some of these new styles. Now you'll notice sitting over here, RVP's actually got some really cool dually wheels that they just came to market with, and you'll notice it's actually a billet cap now. So RVP's getting away from the plastic cap, which is something that you've seen in a ton of wheels. It's just been kind of the norm, and then we're going with the plastic face, but the billet cap. You know, so that's one thing to keep your eye out when you're checking out RVP's new lineup this year. So make sure if you got a dually and you've only been you know, able to check out the American Forces or some of the fuel wheels in their lineup, make sure now that you add RVP to that list. I'm digging this style here too. You know, this it reminds me of the Lexani car wheel, but in a truck version, almost like a Lexani. I think it's called the Stuttgart, but now they got an offering for the truck. You know, with that new. So kind of that new concave, I think that seems to be what the market's moving towards. Now this pretty much, this whole wall here is their RVP Forge line. Now this wheel in particular, I think is pretty wild. It's just got a spoke face that, you know, is kind of unconventional, but that's really what RVP has done in the last couple of years, is they bring the unconventional, you know, to reality. And you can tell just by all these custom wheels. Now granted, these are all custom forged wheels, so this isn't going to be your run-of-the-mill single piece cast. You know, this is going to be stuff that's all special order, but you can tell why. I mean, the quality is in the details. All right, so there you have it. There's a couple of RVP's new styles.